Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to download and install Swipe Prolog in our system. So for that we will open Google and in that we will search for Swipe Prolog. So Swipe Prolog download. So here the first link, we will click on the first link, Swipe Prolog downloads. So here it opens the download link. Whenever we want to install the Swipe Prolog in 64-bit, then we will click on the first link. If you want to use or install the Swipe Prolog in 32-bit, then you will click on the second link. So here we will download the first link. Next we will select the checkbox below and click on the download. Now the exe file is downloaded to our system. So we'll wait for some time for downloading the Swipe Prolog. So once the Swipe Prolog is downloaded in our system, so we will open our exe file. So like this, show in folder. So that is the exe file is shown in the downloads. So we'll click on this .exe file to run and install the Prolog into our system. So this is our welcome wizard. When we click on the next, we will agree to the terms, and next here we will click on the second one, add Swiple to the system path for all users, and click on create Swipe desktop icon and click on the next, and now again click on next. So here all the checkboxes are already selected, so we'll click on install. Now the installing process is started. So while installing the Swipe Prolog into our system, we will wait for some time. Here it is extracting all the files to install Swipe Prolog into our system. Keep in mind, if your system is 64-bit, then you will download the Swipe Prolog for 64-bit. If your system's property is 32-bit, then you will download Swipe Prolog of Swipe Prolog 32-bit. Now our completing Swipe Prolog setup, we'll click on finish. So as we select the option of icon on the desktop, the Swipe Prolog option icon is available on the desktop. Thanks for watching.